Update graphics drivers. NVIDIA, download latest driver, please open your app to see this link. AMD, download latest driver, please open your app to see this link. Do a clean install using DDU display driver uninstaller in safe mode if necessary. 2. Force DirectX 11 mode instead of DX12. Go to the Wuchang shortcut or Steam launch options. Add, you can see the code in our conversation history. This bypasses some UE5 DX12 related instabilities. 3. Disable overclocking. If your GPU or CPU is overclocked, revert to factory settings. Overclocking can trigger device hang crash issues in Unreal Engine games. 4. Increase TDR delay, timeout detection and recovery. Open Registry Editor, regedit it. Navigate to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Right-click New 32-bit, name TDR delay, value 10, restart your PC. 5. Lower in-game graphics settings. Set everything to low or medium. Disable ray tracing, DLSS or FSR. Try different settings, motion blur and VSync. 6. Verify game files. Steam. Right-click on Wuchang, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity. 7. Run as administrator and disable full-screen optimization. Right-click Game.exe, Properties. Compatibility tab, Run as administrator. Disable full-screen optimization. 8. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. Download from Microsoft. Please open your app to see this link. 9. Install latest Windows updates. Make sure your system is fully up to date with Windows Update. Optional debugging tip. If you're consistently getting this error, even after trying the above, monitor GPU temperatures with MSI Afterburner or HW Monitor. Undervolt your GPU slightly using MSI Afterburner to improve stability.